If you want to make your top management the best team, you probably seen my previous video about what is the most important thing in business, and it's definitely your people. Without the team, you're not gonna able to play in a Super Bowl game and win it. If you have the team, then somebody will buy ticket, then you will need marketing, then you're gonna need finance and everything else. So your people, it's number one. Now, the best way to make your top management, if it's medium size or big size company, you probably have team of management. It's not one person like small business usually. The best way, if they gonna mentor other people, and it has to be recorded, and somebody has to, like if you president of the company, you have to watch once in a while all this mentoring process, correct them, and they can even have their social medias channel, and they can even create extra like marketing for you, but they have to create like professional channel so you can see how they communicate with their people, how they talk on the meetings. Very important, because meetings you will understand, you're gonna know all the information on the meeting. So how the way they talk, how they the way they talk in the meeting, you can tell how professional they are. And also, if you have all this recorded, let them keep social media website. It's very important that it's gonna be, because it's gonna give you extra marketing. Imagine every one of them will have millions of followers. Now, if you're afraid they're gonna start opening their own business, they have a lot of people following them, then do like they do with the actors and singers. Sign the contract that while they work in your company, they have to all the social medias, all the Facebook and Instagram, everything that they do belongs to the company that they work for. And if they leave the company, maybe your company have the rights to keep it, but make it the way it's gonna be your assets. Obviously, you don't wanna expand them. You're afraid that if they're gonna leave you, they're gonna have more people following them than you, if you're president of the company. But get some contract with them, and without if you're gonna do that, you will see huge impact, because after a while they're gonna become mentors. They're gonna start, when person mentoring somebody, that's when the best way opens up, and he gets new ideas, becomes more creative and much more productive. So as a president of the company, make sure that you're gonna put all your top management in create for them the like a freedom, so they can talk whatever they want. Don't kind of limit them. And when they're gonna be kind of free, you will see 100 times more results than you see right now. I guarantee you. Right? See you next video.